No, now I'm confused because
Okay, I'll go back to number 1. I haven't tried. But it looks easy. It's just a table.
Joyce, we're back because then people started asking questions. So then I was like, oh, we should actually do something productive. Which working is productive? Amanda had a question on 1A, but then she figured it out. Jordan was a question on 1D.
Jordan's not allowed to ask questions after that. No.
Well, nowadays we had a class you can. You couldn't have earlier.
Believe me, I got stuff planned.
No, that's nice.
Gerardo, the fact that you say that makes me uncomfortable coming to school. I have stuff planned. What could that be?
Fun surprises planned. Does that sound better?
That was not fun. What just occurred was not fun.
Yeah, that was not. I just was surprised you guys freaked out. I don't know why. I totally.
He started texting us. I thought he was like listening to the recording as it was going. I'm like, how is this possible? He's not live YouTube. He's not live on YouTube.
I'm sorry.
I was supposed to put that thing down as if I was under there again, but I didn't run out of time because Jackie was here when I walked in.
See, Jackie knew where he was the whole time.
Are you serious?
Exactly.
That's why you locked him when I walked in. I asked you.
Oh, Jackie, you're a G. Oh, thanks, pal.
That was interesting. Wait, Miss T, so if I want to leave my answer at like 67.9 minus 61.8 over 6, is that okay?
But if you want to put units,
Yeah, that's what units. I don't know.
Okay, so for D, it asks interpret the meaning, and I put total change.
Hold on, pause. Has anybody been able to try B? Nope. Okay, then no. No question yet. But I'm here and I'm available once people do try. So please look for me on something else. If you guys have finished number 1 entirely, you're just working on a different FRQ, be ready to flip back. But otherwise, let's take, how long should an FRQ take? 15 minutes? We'll take 10. No.
Did everybody do A?
Yeah.
Do you like, what were the units? Degrees Fahrenheit?
Degrees Fahrenheit per minute.
Oh, is it really? But it's not a, oh, it is.
It's
It's
DWDT.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not a rate. It is.
Alright. Joyce, for your sake, we're going to pause and then come back when we actually start taking questions. So there will be a part 1, part 2 video, but I'll tell you.
Can we do that instead?
There we go. No, this would be so boring. No, for you guys, like it's true. Using the quadrant like
Is it boring for you, out of curiosity?
teaching for the first time, not necessarily because it's a challenge trying to get it to stick in their mind and then to understand it. And so that part's not, but if I was just sit down and do their homework day in, day out, yeah. Some parts of it I like. Like I do like solving equations and stuff, but when it's so simple that your mind's not even working, then it's like, what's the point?
Just like calculus.
And that's some problems. Okay, so I wouldn't want to do them all now. I want to do something with a purpose. Question.
Answer.
We were wondering about part B.
G.
Hopefully you guys would just thought fundamental theorem of calculus, like Miranda already said.
Yep.
And so when you went to solve, you would just take, this is one that AB kids miss a lot, W of 20 minus W of 0. And the nice thing is, just look at what the math is that you're doing. You're taking the amount of W, which is degrees Fahrenheit, so the temperature. With a temperature at 20 and a temperature at 0, and you're subtracting. So how could you define that? I mean, you guys don't even need to get the numbers and plug in and check it. How would you interpret the meaning?
The change in the temperature from T equals 0 to T equals 20.
So I'll
Water
take
in the tub?
So
We
take the
could-
temperature of water over the first 20 seconds.
No, it is not the total change. Sadly. If
I
it
was
was the total
trying to
change,
think,
it
I was
would be
like, what's the
absolute
average?
Oh,
I was like,
so
what's
just
the average change? And then I was like, no, there's no 1 over 20 in front, and I was trying to figure out what it was.
Yeah, so don't, because there is no 1 over anything in front, 1 over b minus a, it's not average. Since it's not absolute value, it's not total change. But if you think about it, it's the water is heated for 30 minutes. So you could say how much the water in the tub has, or the temperature of the water in the tub is heated to. That doesn't work either, let's change it. How,
Would you have to say in the tub or no? Can I just say in the tub?
I was to say water, I would somehow identify W.
I'm trying to say water. Okay, I said it shows the change in temperature.
Yeah.
Of the water.
The change in temperature that resulted during the 20-minute time interval. But overall, you could say overall, but don't say total. Not that they would take off because it's strictly increasing, so it's not going to be any different than the absolute value, but I would still say don't say total. Because it has a different connotation.
Sugar boss.
Okay, so then C and D, any questions there? That's average. At least say average.
It's under approximation.
Because it's from the left and it's
Oh,
strictly
sure, I didn't-
increasing.
I didn't-
Yeah,
Strictly increasing.
yeah. And that was your reasoning, right? Because W is a strictly increasing function.
And then D was W20 plus the interval of 20 to 25, right?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. 80.57.
Starting at 20 and going to 25, and you know W20
Wait, you go
from the
what?
table.
80.57. 25.75.
0.4. I didn't get that.
It's gonna be good.
So you get that even?
Oh, I forgot to say, psych you all.
Oh no, I got like 73.043.
What? Now what did I do wrong?
For your bounds, right?
Oh, I put 0.4 theta, not 0.4 square root theta.
Oh, there you go. Found it. You put theta?
Oh, sorry, it just a.
Oh, the button is because you're in folders.
Something's wrong with me. Every time I hit the delete button, I accidentally hit the promote button.
Okay, well that's good.
Yeah, it's 73.
This is better than hitting the delete button instead of the move button.
Number 2 times.
Alright, number 2 times. We have 10 minutes until the end. I'll have my iPad if you guys want to ask a question. I'll go ahead and just keep it recording in case something comes up that Joyce can hear. Or can hear, wants to hear, would be interested in hearing. Otherwise, Jackie and Gerardo tomorrow will grade. Let's see what's the best way of doing this. Friday is the Forever Endeavor final. That'll take most of class. So maybe tomorrow we'll go over questions on 2, 3, and 4. And then Thursday we'll go over questions 5 and 6. And then, Gerardo, I'll get you a copy of the related rates. I have a paper copy. I just want to actually make you like a copy for you and Carla. You guys both want one. So if you want to ask me questions about that in class tomorrow or Thursday, you can too. And then Jackie, it's up to you if you want to print off another bonus exam, be playing with it, but it's optional. So whatever's good for you. Then Friday we'll all come back. We'll take our Forever Endeavor final. Monday we'll have our APs tomorrow.
My next idea is involved George. Have you guys seen that Kimmy Kimmel of Ben Affleck with like the big trench coat on and Matt Damon's hiding inside?
Focus. bless you. All right, Joyce, I'm gonna let you go just because they're just gonna keep working till the bell.